Now, what are adverbs? An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. What do we mean by this? See, adverb is used to give a meaning to a verb. What is a verb, children? A verb is a word that refers to an action. In the previous session, we had learned about verb and I had given number of examples. So, what is a verb? A verb is a word that refers to an action. Then an adjective. What is an adjective? Words that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. You know what noun is and a pronoun is. We have already dealt about these words in the previous session. And it gives a meaning for another adverb. So what is an adverb? It is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Let's look into the examples to make you understand the meaning of the adverbs. Let's take these examples. The first one, the old lady was talking loudly. It was enough for us to say the old lady was talking. Why loudly? Was talking is a verb. Loudly is an adverb. It's giving a meaning to the verb. Was talking. How was the old lady talking? Loudly. So loudly is an adverb. It is giving some meaning to the verb. Second example. We ate a very heavy lunch. Heavy is an adjective. You could have as well told we ate a heavy lunch. But why very? Very is an adverb qualifying the adjective heavy. So it gives some more meaning to heavy. We ate a very heavy lunch. Third one, he quite competently answered all the questions. They could have just told he answered all the questions. But why quite and competently? Quite is an adverb. Again, it is giving a meaning for the adverb competently. So how did the person answer the questions? Quite competently. So, adverbs is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. In the examples you have seen, was talking loudly. Was talking is a verb. Loudly is an adverb. Very heavy. Heavy is an adjective. Very is again an adverb. Quite competently. Quite is an adverb. Competently is again an adverb. Hope this is clear, children. Now, let's look at some more examples of adverbs. As I told you, an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Look at the pictures. Girl runs quickly. The girl is running. How is she running? Quickly. This is a very sweet mango. Sweet is an adjective. Again, very is an adverb. Very sweet mango. Peter reads quite clearly. How does he read? Quite clearly. Clearly is an adverb. Again, quite. It is modifying the adverb clearly. Quite clearly. Now, let's look into some more examples of adverbs. The first one is, she sings sweetly. How does she sing? Sweetly. He speaks quite clearly. He is speaking. How is he speaking? Quite clearly. She shouts loudly. She smiled cheerfully. The traffic was moving slowly. She writes neatly. We waited patiently to see the doctor. Now, hope all of you have understood what adverbs are. Now, let's move on to the kinds of adverbs. There are 5 kinds of adverbs. Let's see what they are. The 5 kinds of adverbs are adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree. In this session, we will be learning about adverb of manner, adverb of time and adverb of place. The remaining will be taken in the next session. Now, let's study about adverbs of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how an action takes place and answers the question how. I repeat it. Adverb of manner tells us how an action takes place and answers the question how. So let's look at the example. He worked quietly in the lecture room. He is working. Where? In the lecture room. But how is he working? Quietly. Quietly is the adverb. And the verb is working. He is working. How is he working? Quietly. He worked quietly in the lecture room. The second one. My friend willingly gave me her bangles. So, my friend is ready to give me the bangles. But no one has forced her. She is willingly giving her bangles. Willingly is an adverb. It is telling how. How did the friend give her the bangles? Willingly. How did he work in the lecture room? Quietly. So, adverb of manner tells us how an action takes place and answers the question how. Now, how can we form adverbs to the adjectives? You can just add ly. By adding ly to adjectives, they get changed to adverbs. Now, for example, in the above examples, you can see he worked quietly. The adjective is quite. Ly is added, it became an adverb. Willingly. Willing is an adjective. Ly is added, it became willingly. Some more examples I have here. Loud. Add ly, it becomes loudly. slow, slow. Add ly, it becomes slowly. Quick. Add ly, it becomes quickly. So, the adjectives can be changed to adverbs by adding ly. Here are some more examples of adverbs of manner. You have to speak quietly. She cooks badly. She drives carefully. It walks slowly. My mom sometimes speaks angrily. Quiet has become quietly. It's an adjective which has changed into adverb. Badly. Bad badly. Adjective bad, badly is an adverb. Careful has changed to carefully. Slow, slowly. Angry, angrily. So these are some of the examples of adverbs of manner. Here are some more examples. Elegantly, happily, gently, hungrily, lazily, loudly. All these are some of the adverbs. Here are some more adverbs. Suddenly, hurriedly, generously, kindly, powerfully, gladly, angrily, bravely, busily, cautiously, courageously, greedily. Children, can you tell me the adjective form of these words? Now these are adverbs. Tell me adjective form. Few minutes, just think. Okay, I'll tell the answers. Suddenly, it is sudden. Hurriedly, hurry. Generously, generous. Kindly, kind. Powerfully, powerful. Gladly, glad. Angrily, angry. Bravely, brave. Busily, busy. Cautiously, cautious. Courageously, courageous. Greedily, greedy. So now I think you will be able to change one form to the other, adjectives to adverbs or adverbs to adjectives, right? Now let's move on to adverbs of place. Adverb of place tells us the place of action and answers the question where. That means where the action has taken place. For example, Namita sat here for a long time. Here. Where did she sit? She sat here. It is showing the place where she sat. The boys are playing upstairs. Where are the boys playing? Upstairs. The dog is in the garden. In. In is the adverb of place. So, adverb of place tells us the place of action and answers the question where. Where is Peter? Here. The group is singing outside. You can see the picture there. The group is singing, but where are they singing? They are singing outside. So these are adverbs of place, which tells us or answers us the question where. Let's look at some more examples of adverb of place. As I told you, adverb of place tells us where something happens. Everywhere, here, inside, there, underground, upstairs, etc. All these are the adverbs which tells us where the action is taking place. Examples. They built a house nearby. Where did they build a house? Nearby. Nearby is an adverb. He took the child outside. Outside is an adverb. I searched everywhere, but I couldn't find my keys. Everywhere. Come in here. Here means it's an adverb. Cats don't walk backwards. So backwards is an adverb. Here are some more examples for the adverbs of place. About, above, abroad, anywhere, away, back, backwards, backward, behind, below, down, downstairs, elsewhere, east, far, here, in, indoors, inside, near, nearby, off, on, out, outside, over, overseas, somewhere, there, towards, under, up, upstairs, where. These are some more examples of the words which tells where the action is taking place. Now the last part is adverbs of time. Adverb of time indicates the time of an action or sometimes the duration of an action and answers the question when. So what does adverb of time mean? It indicates the time of action, when the action has taken place, or sometimes the duration of an action and answers the question when. Let's look at the example. Vinith woke up early today for a change. So when did he wake up? Early morning. So Vinith woke up early today for a change. We met yesterday. When did we meet? We met yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb, early is an adverb which specifies when the action has taken place. Here are some more examples. So as I said, some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. So they are called adverbs of time. Let me look into some more examples. The train has already left. Already. It's an adverb. We moved into our new house last week. So when did we move? Last week. I'm going to my new school tomorrow. Tomorrow is an adverb which tells me when I'm going to go to my new school. Now let's look at some of the words which tells us about the time. Tomorrow, tonight, yesterday, now, then, today, already, before, early, earlier, eventually, finally, first, last, late, later, lately, formally, previously, recently, just, next, soon, still, yet, since. So these are some of the adverbs which tell us when an action is done. Hope all of you have understood what an adverb is and the kinds of adverbs. We have dealt only 3 types of adverbs in this session, that is adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time. So adverb of manner tells us or answers the question how. Adverb of place answers the question where. Adverb of time answers the question when. So it is how, where and when. Based on the understanding, I have an activity for you. Try doing this activity. Make adverbs by adding ly. That means I've given you some adjectives. You have to add ly and change it to adverb and then use them in sentences of your own. The words are happy, slow, quick, loud, careful. These are the words. It's very easy. You just have to add ly. They get changed to adverb and use them in your own sentences. The next activity is fill in the blanks with the appropriate adverbs from the brackets. She hasn't finished her cooking, dash. The words are yet, already. The teacher was dash surprised at my story. Quite quietly. We dash go to sleep at 10 p.m. Generally. Color both the paintings dash with the brush evenly even. The children felt dash lonely very much. So choose the correct adverbs and fill in the blanks. Hope you will be able to choose the appropriate adverb. We can discuss the answers for these activities in the next session. This ends our session today. Hope all of you have understood the meaning of adverbs and the kind of adverbs. The remaining kinds of adverbs will be dealt in the next session. Children, write down every point what is being placed on the slides. Each and everything is important. Go through all the words. Try doing the activities. We'll discuss the answers. Thank you, children. Have a good day.